Hello, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Financial Operation tutorial series. In this video, we will talk about how you can check the current version of Dynamics 365 application that you are currently using. Okay, so before going to that, how you can check, before that we should know that why knowing the current version is important. Knowing the current version is important because it allow you to access the current features, it allow you to ensure the capability, it allow you to ensure the stay compliant, also it allow you to receive the support from the Microsoft. So if you'll not know about the latest feature, you will get the difficulty because each version include new capabilities and improvements that can enhance your business process. It also ensures the capability. That means some third-party applications or integrations may require a specific version of a Dynamics 365 application. So that's why it's important to know the capability. Also, it allow you to stay compliant. What does it actually mean? It important because regulatory updates and changes are often included in service update, which are tied to specific versions. Okay. Another important point, that is the support. Microsoft provides support for specific versions. So knowing your version ensure you can get the right help when needed. So now these are some important point about the versions. Now we'll check that how we can check the version. Okay. In the previous versions, in the previous versions of Dynamics 365 application, it was under the setting option. That means in this icon you can see there is a about section. So if you'll click on the about section, you would know that what is the current version. But now in the recent updates, this option is shifted to this question mark. So after the setting option, there you can see the help and support option. So if you'll click this question mark button, you will get the current version or product version, installed platform. You can see here that installed product version is there, installed platform version is there. Okay, and if you want to know the legal information, licenses, and a specific version for the each and every module that is present in your application, you can also check that. So if you'll click on this particular version, then you will get all the specific versions that is available. That is, you can see account payable, mobile version, application common, application foundation, platform, suits. So all this information versions you will get from this option. So I hope it's clear that why version is important and how you can check that. Okay, so if you want to know about the services update, then I'm dropping a link in this particular video description. You can check that as well. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.